How to trim audio on Android. If you want to trim a audio in Android because maybe there is some mistake with a certain voice message or an audio file, you want to trim them out, you can first try using your default editor. So on a Samsung device, we have the default voice editor or the voice recorder app, which we can simply use if we want to go ahead and then basically edit some of the languages as well. So if I want to edit this, I can just select that, tap the three dots option. I can go ahead and remove or transcribe or do something as such. But if your phone does not come with a default app to edit such things, we can download another app from Play Store. Go to your Play Store and type in Audio Cut. You can find many audio apps. In this case, I'm just using Music Audio Cutter or MP3 Cutter app from here, which has a good enough rating. Now simply go ahead and open the app right here. And once you've done so, you'll be able to see the application loading up. Let the app load up. Right now it might be a free app, so of course you might have to deal with some of the ads. Unfortunately, it will ask you to trim the audio, so go ahead and select that. I'll just go ahead and remove this premium watermark or something like that. Now I'll simply choose the audio. Tap on this option that says trim audio right here. So you can see trim audio, tap on it. Simply choose the audio file that you want. And once you choose the audio file that you have on your device, now you can go ahead and then simply crop it to select the trim time. And you can just crop it to a certain time frame as well, like this. And you can go ahead and select trim start point. And you can go ahead and then add trim endpoint, and once done you can tap the confirm button to trim it out. That's all it takes for us to trim audio on Android. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.